Hello, RH family. I'm Kelton Oliver, and today we interviewed the congregation on how does this church make you feel at home?
My name is Minister Farrell at the RH Christian Center. The church here makes me feel like home because, it's a close-knit family church where, I can lean on my brothers and my sisters are always there for me. They always welcome me with open doors, open arms. And if you're looking for a movement of God, I would tell you to walk through these doors and feel God's power.
What makes the church feel like home is, I like to come and see all my brothers and sisters in Christ. We all came for the same reason, for the true reason to read the gospel and talk about God.
Walked in these doors a long time ago and found God, and He hasn't left. He's still here. He speaks with the bishop, past, present, future into my life. All my children go here. My wife goes here. This is a great place. If you're looking for God, this is home.